This video has to be my best one yet. Oh my god, we're back again in the same week. What is going on? Hello. If you've not been here before, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. Come on. You know you want to. Make sure to like the video if you enjoy it as well. I hope it helps you guys out with thumbnails and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's hop right into it. So as shown on screen now, there'll be a couple of shots, which I usually like to take in replay mode. So maybe just go into a game, you can just mess around in replays, find some locations which you think might look good in a thumbnail. Take a screenshot of that on PC, or maybe if you have a capture card, go into your capture card app, take a screenshot of that. I like to use them for my thumbnail background, so any of my thumbnails I like to take some shots. So I just finished with my season 6 shots, and if you have a look at my most recent thumbnail of my most recent video, the I'm back one with the announcement, I actually have the shot which I recently just took, and we actually ended up using that as the background for our video. So for this thumbnail business to work, you need to make sure one thing, that your thumbnail is the size of 1280 by 720p. If it is not the size of that, it's not going to fit the YouTube thumbnail requirements accurately, no bigger, no smaller, otherwise it'll mess up the thumbnail, it'll look ugly, so on and so forth. You need to make the thumbnail not look bulky and advanced. You don't want it overpowered by other things. You want the basic thumbnail that will draw people in, not things like, oh my god guys, I got a social media and popping up massive in the screen on the thumbnail. I like to do mine with just a simple Fortnite shot in the background, my little overlay in the corner bottom right. It just has paint splattered LG, so leadergolem, and then I add some text for whatever my title's going to be, and it sort of relates to the video, and I feel like it's quite nice just to have something that simple, and when you see that thumbnail, oh, it's a leadergolem video, because no one else really has the same sort of style as me. So you want to be your own style, that's another thing. Don't copy off other people's thumbnails, you want to make your own thumbnails. No copying other people's videos either. It's always a nice thing to have your own unique style, so when people see your channel, they go, they're unique, or they find interest in you, and they want to subscribe. That's what you want to look for in a thumbnail. In case you were wondering as well, I use to edit my thumbnails, I use a software called Gimp. It's a lot like Photoshop, but it's free. I'll put a link down in the description to go and install Gimp. It's a very nice software. It helps you with all your thumbnail needs. I think it's a very, very good software. So if you want to install Gimp, the link will be down below as well on that one. That's going to be it for this video. If it did help you out at all, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new. I would just like to say a massive thank you to all of you guys who have been subbing recently. It's been crazy. We had a massive boost by a guy called FMBR, Item Shop Predictions. I love you, man. Thank you so much for the shout out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. And I'll catch y'all later. leadergolem, signing out.